I'm good, guys. Welcome to Noble Creative Digital Marketing Agency. I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to design a car flyer design in your Pixellab without wasting much of your time. Let's get down to the business of today. So what are the first thing to do right now is to bring out our image. Just change the background this to white color. We are using white color for this. So after that, you go to your gallery, then you pick our the image I'm to use. So let me go to my download and pick out the image from here. So this is the image I'm going to be using. You can actually crop it. There's nothing wrong with that. So go. So the next thing you do is to increase it a little bit. Increase it. Good. So after you increase it, just place it here. Then you decrease it a little bit. You just place it around there. So you can see, let it look like a way. So can you see now? Just break it down. So can you see that it's looking like a way. So after that, the next thing you should do is make sure it's at the middle. So just go to your relative position and then you place it at the middle. Relative position, go, so it's at the middle. So the next thing you're going to do right now is to click on this layer, then you lock it. So after you lock it, the next thing you're going to do right now is to click on your plus button again. Then you click on the car I'm going to be used. So this is the car I'm going to be used. So there's nothing to crop here. You click your OK. So after you click on your OK, then you place it here. Then you reduce it. Let it be on the red carpet so that it will be like you is on top of it without making it look like unreal. So you can see that this thing is real now. Good. So what is the next thing I'm going to do right now? The next thing I'm going to do is to bring out something like this. Dots. So actually this stuff. Let me try this if I can use this. Actually it's good. So what is the thing you're going to do right now? Just increase it a little bit. Let me check if I'm going to be using this one or the second one I used before when I was designing it. So you go to your rotate, 3D rotate. So let me check. So click on your x-axis, click on it. Good. So when you click on it, just place it here. Good. Then go to your layer, then you bring it to the back of this. So let me check now. So it's not showing. So okay, it's still actually showing. So you can actually lock this two. Good. So we are actually working on this right now. Cool. So we are actually working on this right now. The next thing I just increase it a little bit. Increase it. Good. So can you see it? It is actually okay. So let me decrease a little bit so that it can be where. So can you see that it's making sense? Good. I actually love this. I love this. I actually love this. Good. So just place it well, like something that they place. Okay, just place like something that they place. Good. So let me decrease it a little bit. I can actually get something that I don't want it to be on the edge. No, it's still big. So let's reduce it a little bit. So this is actually okay. So the next thing I'm going to write is a touch of the red. So click on your gallery, click on text, then you write a touch of the red. A touch of the red. Good. So now you go to your font, then you give it montestera font bold. So let me check. Montestera bold. Good. Sorry for that. So after that, you change the color to black color. We're using mainly black color for this. A touch of the red. So just decrease it a little bit. Then you place it all around there. Go. So after you place it all around there, you can actually lock it. After you lock it, just duplicate it. No, don't this. You can lock this. So duplicate this one. A touch of the red. A surge of dominance. A surgeon. A surge of dominance. So good. So you change to capital letter also. Then you give it red color. This one is actually going with red color. Yeah, good, red color. So just decrease it a little bit. So you kind of place it on top of here, something here like this. Good. So after you place it, the next thing you're going to do is to click on your plus button again. Then you write introducing introducing. So go, so you change the capital letter. So there's nothing like rotate, don't rotate it. So after that, you change to black color to black color. Then you go to your font, then you change it to another font, which is that montestera, but you are going to be using the bold or semi bold. Yeah, the semi bold is okay for it. So after that, just decrease it a little bit, then place it on top of here. Just make it here good. So after that, the next thing you're going to do right now is to click on your plus button, you click on shape, bring it like this. So after that, next is to click on shape again, make it like this, then you change the color to red color. So after that, you just place it here. So let's put it here so that you can see what we're doing very well. So you place it on top of here, then you rotate it like this. Good. So duplicate it, so put it at the edge of this one too. So after that, the next thing you're going to do is to click on your layer, then you merge the three together, merge them together. So after you merge them together, you go to your red color right now, then you enable it. So you're not going to be using this red. So what are you going to do right now? So click on this place, this lookalike brush, click on it, then click on the red, then give it color. So can you see what it brings up now? So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to go to your font, then change it to red color. So can you see it? Sorry, the color. So you raise it, then you place it here. Good, then you can actually lock it. So after you're done, the next thing you're going to do right now is to click on your text again, then you click on switch, then you type shift. Actually this. Good. So you go to your color now, you give it to white color to white color first, then you go to your font, you give it the bold, the extra bold. So you go to your style, B style, this one they click the right B style, click on it, then change it to, then click on the I to italic, yeah, then place it here, they place it very well here. So this thing is not showing very well, so what I'm going to do, let me go to my phone and change it to another font, which is the semi bold, if that one can go along with the T, for the T to show very well, the bold. So let me check. Oh, actually the same, almost the same thing. So let me check again. So let me just go to my phone to test that, and let me look for the bold italic. Good. So let me check on this. So good. So just don't click on the test on the B style again, just find montestera bold italic. So that is good for it. So let's go. So it's showing what I need right now. So let me position it very well. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to copy this shape. Good. Then you go to your color, then you change the color to black color, limited edition. So I'm going to write limited edition. So just increase it a little bit, then you place it all around there. Good. So the next I'm going to write is limited. So I'm going to lock this, then duplicate this shift, then write limited edition. Good, capsule letter also. So now go to place it here, then you reduce it. Cool. So can you see that everything is plumping? So it's actually this stuff, it's actually, so I'm going to be taking them to the up to the up. They are close to the card, don't need to be close to it. So I'm going to mark everything. Then I'm going to place it up. So let me check. Good. So I'm going to reduce this also. So let me click on this. So let me reduce this also. Good. So I'm going to bring the card too, so that everything can look plumpy. Cool. So can you see that it is really nice, looking like really something good. So what are we going to be doing next now? The next thing I'm going to be doing right now is to click on shape again, click on your text, click on shape, then you increase the radius to 100, then just make it like this. After that, reuse it very well. Then place it here all around there. So after you are done, the next thing you need to do is to click on this surgeon, or yeah, just go to this surgeon, then you duplicate it, then you write www.com.car edition .com. Good. So you sorry, so give it a calculator, then you decrease it a little bit, then you place it here. Good. So can you see this? Actually, we are okay right now. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on your phone gallery. Then I'm going to bring out another thing that I downloaded there. So this actually the stuff. So I'm now, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to reduce it, then place it all around there. So after placing it, the next I'm going to be going is to my 3D rotate. So I'm going to rotate it just for fancy. Good. So just click on the white axis, then put it there. So just for fancy. Good. So good. So you know everything is plumping. So after you're done, the next thing for you right now is to click on this. Then you save your work as image. Then you save it as PNG and at very high. Then you also save it as a project. So we are done with this. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to like the channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get more video like this, and don't forget to also share and like the video. Thanks for watching up to now.